Good morning to all, and wish you a very happy Father's Day. Natum abav hilay de clay psychorally la happy Father's Day ji hangya ya. Every ari adam iwi abav malay our train country has been almost 11, 12 years old. So every time when Father's Day come, I really miss him for what he has done for me. Yeah, arachi ina ari li Father's Day li Brian calls hajni ya calls halaga Leiyachon housing mugshido hanin kithaule hanin nali hangai nana Father's Day bang matimilo the hangni hang ki one thing which ili calls hadam han kisho thira the in hang shojin ya haina kithawi ji na matimilo ya share sam han Brian tada mum tuiramre misharamre the hangin ya I no chuklio to Miss Sadly go hangaya. Kurchita had Titailaga, okay then, Ili Atam Kumilo in Hangtony, and Atam Kumilo in the Sialas hanging it hanging. Kur Sias hanging it up at the hang hine. I was so busy, you oddly lungs and I might eat. But the Ivang says hangage by Jim opening engineer. Lungs are never my cover. One night while I was just laying in a bomb like Ali confirmation mirang atam tranji sai kam chugatam tranjili kyang le gana ili hangai avu wang ava father siwang mutim han imang kam chugatam trande ya ishi avana ili iwi avana ili chak sami lega or chak le shine lega why don't I share what he has done for me kala iwi chubana maybe a blessing will be there for someone in the crowd, Jilim Tumian and Brian Hangin, either Bria Mutio, South the Hangin, the Mary South it hanging. Kavama man laga the businesswoman asks how without Haglage cover busy Satia preparations, Harage Adam Translate, Masag by okay, Achi prepares Harishka, Kantera Hira Hilea, Kata Saijila. One night I was severely sick. Nyatang like Tangaya, he Tagleshka, Managaza Hine. Kaglum surgery, a girl ning crack nailing by nailing to nothing in twin. Twillaga e ari twimang, Ivaria, twimang, excited Madame Translily had a near the laptop shokulo, yeah, shokulo, I know I shokulo, the shokulo, she should manage the Ari Kabila mapping I saw it, looks at the Sajni, Madame Translily, just type Sadamji, what is the love of father? Chili topic Jimmy Babamea. I was just going through down. Sadam translili Tragamutimiya. Dinner Chitailaga, each prepare half prepare Silaga, jutili. I got totally sick. Ava Yava, Kunanga Hainea, Peremang got Rajne, got crude at the siren that hung to parting so fast hajne. Kata size level in a iwi churnix at the dumbtran or kick out Saratam to have cocono verare, cover how you overcome and how do you show that God is with you, Gigi realize Hakuya, Chiwi churning in a iwi churning that he had a Sahadam translating churning had Saturday Chine, actually topic me haji and the love of a father, Gigi topic me, Kara. They'll prepare cycling, Matarang, the Axter Rally says, like she, our running she, Nanari, Atam Hilly, Yakaring, Patam Kamivan, Nalimason Midley, run and now lavin, run and Ili, Tamjitemi High, Clegly, Nana Lishilakaina, realize Hangsa Kaiji, Vra in a shares out the late labor. In a share sack shokatam tran, you can't do wrong la placing sapphire in sang samilo, clarum play no way, Nana Razamilo, the Ranley says I, it's a okay, Ratami, Nana, Nelly hair sung the late and timelo, the psychory of an religious Christian in the important miracle, amen. Yeah, Nisherigala ili tada Bible verse committee Psalm number 3 when imagine yeah and I just go through with it but Priya ili he Bible na we topic he ko yeah no the father the love of the father khangadam trying the main thing first thing which struck to me was John 3:16 really strikes high yeah therefore God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son that whosoever believe in him should not perish before that chili hang me finally ini hang kami je, ane itu ni lesina, how kita awi now je itu ni ni kelali si kesang je, keting tada ketang makwai kering je sampai hang ya, tapi awavu cia kelagi si je, we have not seen him, but awi pro ana hang mi hei je itu ali si sang laga, okay, dan jiwangan itu ham sang laga ali zade ya, ina ari kera dam translate tak le jika cover. Tagava iwi avavu, octri ledakle avavu hina, that the legacy, avavu nature had the legacy laid hangatam rangelina. Just I was just sitting down and that punning the ledaka atam translate. One is my father, who is not with us, and one is my husband. Yeah, iwi avavu. Ili maklei sepacivang ci pening hang aneli kita ada lesi kliang na ile I awinang lawu sar lelega aneli kita ada lesi do ci winingli ada pening sege aneli ada lesi lega ahi strict asune ibung ya ngzin sinau sawi da ngzin shong mung tuk dai ge ba shinung zong pure ya ayam shok bai mre birthday ma ba bai mre ji ta ba strict asune ne at the same time in a EU member outside the EU li shimwena thang thumati thang phanga amut kuthumati thang ayar zare jadam transli whatsapp ngasege yang free ili that kind of freedom mi age ne freedom ye ngalam khadang thakle ga ili freedom cha khami cha ili strict sa ya khang nui laga ba thakle ga ba strict sa nai him ba pai mre him sa pai mra dam trans isha ba viva ningra ning chai ve khang de sha ba free and then sha ba yong lo shim he lung pom phung rai hita sa phung rai sai tan nai ji ja re phaning ya ka as I was growing up grown up sa dam translate in a realize sa ji thak le ke ina iwi mi ring li kham man le ina Bangalore ta laga ot sam man ja dam translate an cha sa mi hai ji ili ga tha da ngchon mi le ji ka ba Marine main say that you mirinchi, Malang sang me, Garma cartoon is okay. 6 o'clock, she knew for he tie Kamangaza, tie Masapai Mare, ya, Naklata, Eklata, Marine made of Octurage illy realize hang seke. Clay to illy Munila Gaina, Avavana Joholagas, how gida I played the role of a father, young to in a Ishishim Kulikurne. You are Pakni, Clay work to the Kni the lay, ya. I take the responsibility of being a father for my family. Yeah, ishishim kurvang ina the struggle salga work hard work salaga tada zdawa arini younger jine jiji bang ji salaga tafaya the avamale tugida ina za khwatam translate avawi legacy ina iyak tuivang rally katada Mita, Kalakatada in a Bangrali me, Gigi, ili realize hang seg equals up really. In Ahli Lishime, had them translate, Ahana, Ajayna Ali Lishime, Aha Hankaina Nalis Hammy, Gislea, Chatham translate Oktada Avava, Itada E. Avava, Saranico, Avava, Ava, we had a balance halaga, ringanea, Gigi, ili realize how in section. Then I read Ahana, ili freedom me, Kala ili the freedom milaga, that can suck, Kala evening can sang suck, in a his hangai, Jadam Tranli Sahang suck, or else he never expressed you to me avava, career avava being express samne, in a lily shinako, in now, Nelly he hug salaga, Adada, a minor liki salaga, in a lily shinai, Gigi Mama Vamania, Kariva. Well, let's not be a typical parents. Yeah, typical parents. Halaga he tiger avavana he rolls her avavan he rolls her chibajim ningla. Inikning room the saziga ari sasaka say that ini discuss haba me. Kalang yashonga. We sit down and we had a seasahani room jiji saya. Then Anna iwina inu now lit had a lazy cover every morning when she wakes up. Yeah, he gave a hug and said, "Good morning, princess." This is what the word he used. Princess hangi. And the princess word ji hang me bome. Jeda tanga he, you know, he ini oda sajin, or sauce mumiajine. And mumiajin anili. Ki uncle mumia ralo mumian. the kata hang okay baby princess come here come and do this come and do this I just say that word and she just run and come forward to me and just say that mama na naruji ki hangi in kyang na ni ra lo the hang no mama na jim hang ka hang ya ki hang le ni you say princess the word even you say shim salam ne ka awa na sa gi da awin english jang na sa la ni na princess ka nam whatever I tell to her she does that yeah then Tiji tada avavu wilegishi, yeah. Tiji tada alakani le, akan expressive side, akan non-expressive ne. Kayu avavu non-expressive ne, but I have to just see him, how like aneli tada treat side. Kata ada ilis hami, juena ina realize sakure. Kla avavu, I really later claiming la. Be more aggressive, like expressive, yeah. Expressive, be an expressive father. Like when you get kaya na, materam ne, nan leishi, yeah. Itum na nganu ilaga avavani ilishi ji mathemane ili Malaysian ne ili just pound or street pound halaga saiji jimang di realize ha ku ya avavali ba leishi laga makamane ka growth samaman ayali zanaman klanana in a responsibility khima na tam translate realize sai oh how much my father loved me, how much my father cares about me ji in realize sai ya Chainari Ramman like Taglage art in a Helman like a Paman Gatam translate Avavui legacy color about how or why and how important is the love of father Gigi Rahang Zangayantili Avavu legacy quite important so how color importance how the size is and actually kabi sangil hangome Avu legacy he was as granted. Now, when an elegally she said, it may have a galley, she says, she punginda, a one hand the glazy quipunginda or sapunginda, this is higher, ka avawu like she were exceptional need hangya, expressive kasa, gla aha studies ahana hanga tissue of a Nana no we now lava or now mirror, especially a father, yeah. Nana no we now lava now mirror an expressive same. Kala no we like she short same, no we now waji, good haglage gavahi, so confident, self confident, let me carry the hang, yeah. Kala lam carry yari shamila confident, let me cargo the chop the hang. None express a height run. Maybe I was just today in a realize that the ticket had in the glan of Nia. Hegava. Avavu hina le shishunai avavu na kilisa chung hadam transitum mahel kyang le tada movie na lila or some family where a daughter like a naung lavuli avavan le shinahai or avavan le shinahai aji confidence ha mekhara the confidence ha mekhara the kalam yar shongi la frisa mara ana kazati ilaka the realize ka sam ya ina avavu we like shi don't just keep with you yeah express salo kala express salaga no action and hang selo hang stage thagle jiga me no we are not busy because we all believe or we all accept that a father is the earner like bread earner of the family and no shimwen shoglaga shimkul bang dong wan na earn has day kala you don't have time you just go home you're not thought hack was that way kala officially bamla or namning na lay sa zatla na shimhan khung atam translate no we now be sara or that kind of things no we weekly offly sorry no we now school kai sara jitha jitra le ya come on Ahavan avavung ra later claiming hang hang haiva na atam kushoklo yeah na atam kushoklo kala time spent salaga na how important you are my daughter my son yeah kala na ki no mirin ki important sagle ji na li time spent sang sangai you mirinly experience ka ko sa hai akhle ji ing nui laga in school card lega tam translate school la like you temper pa mai da ni bin na hang ya and a ja okay ka I chili thagle jiga ba I sadam translate we teacher ha le jine ya teacher ha hi na thagle jiga ba I school ka ye just school ba ye ungwe I cha da sa jine ka I teacher ha na ke hang meow kle jiga ba nan nishna hi khang ser nai ngarik nai ngarik nai hikta shinaw malem ne da hang hai ne ya hang de ne ili shara khai atam rantli ne laga ishi awawali hang ya baba ili shada hang de le ya ili ngarik nai khang se nai he ma ta da ma khang tu na shinaw a khane da chi thaw ma ngain hang de le chi vi imaring pham ne nana ka hang mi lo da awawali hang ya aina baba na ili hang ina wang zeng ni re kwai na klang wa chala school li na khili sala na ma sa tham ni ili first ma hang ne ya khawa na kisa mai marigla lai ma pa mala or na ki ma sam le first equation sa ya ne ya tadam thani ki am sam ne school ga ye 9 o'clock li off school ga re dang school ga ye 6 o'clock li unge school jo khai li tuition wa khai li shim lu wa ga ma le sha vuli ka sha za hang chi ye or meaning ga lai li pa ha we chi da sam ne ki ka ma sam ne thang ya da ki ka ma tham ne ina hang re a school ga ga ana principal ga nga zek ga hita da hang le hita lang ka tha do thang ne principal hang chikta ki kamale ne no we nang la wi ba nai them shin khai kala discipline le shin khai na wa khane ki ka chikta ki kamale ne thang ya then ga na ai ki kam tham ne na shi wi teacher na shi principal ing se ki kam tham ne kha ili ba ana chon naw do ho yang yo aming le a chon je da ne ili chon naw thang ya chon naw ra lo na hang ili in hang ra lo ki kam ham ne kha ra lo in na li ya hang ai ne hang lo ba ke le hang ne li mina nali ngashim nali takshi hang sai jilla nali magphasa sai jilla na mophaning la kalo ya revenge creator ali athut creator masala kalo da ili hang ya masala kalo na chiksa hatam translate na athut ko khuji kashi khana mangmare khawa long run lewa matar kamane ka juwang na kisar kle jikawa mi pa juwang na kali changlaga na awang na khukti laga sia samilo na khukti laga sia sa khami atam translate khanga che rare da hang jatam translate ye shipa ba ili awang hang ye mi chile ili da juning ji chang ya khawa I listen to him in the shape of avana khang ji ali ngana hui ya ngana hui laga ina room li jang laga in sia sami pokaw ya sia sami pok ha dam translate change in time ne school ga la ochawa ji lim thad mang han ne in a school attend sala question han size la han ka size la thad mang han min ne experience sa ya ka tha size as days goes by shuragaina ochawa ji school line za ma wa ya za tha we ga la lang ma kha da za da kha dam translate ana school ji ne sho khai la ga khang dai school li wa we ka ju tili thak le ji la ga da siang sa ji mang sa min ne I was just go on praying for her. And one day, ka thak le shuru ga in thak le ji ka anai li approach ai le ya de le ra lo sa da ngai ka shui why have she approached me, she doesn't like me hang paning ka in a sia sai sa ji malaya we ai na anai li maning chang ne da hangai le ga tha ji ni sa na ina participate sai and hang the sai ko participate sa da samman jatam translate ana ili first place le hai ni ya first place le hai ni le ga gasa dong really le you're going to be the first le you're going to be this sal ga za ka ma ne ya kala aryan dang da arya haili malem ne aryan na ne lisa kle ga whenever I met any person da khanghan dam translate ami bing hang nali isha chon na nali han ne how are you doing and she's so proud of you the aryan na ili hang ya chivaka ki hang le ga awavu ishi awavu ne ili hokhui laga ili hang khai ji wangai na hang laga ili hokhui laga sit down sa laga tam ji the khai ji wangai na there's lots of changes happen iwi aktu wangara iwi apangara iwi what ka sarir no dong li ili ji hang mi shone forgive pray for those not sia samilo nali malaysia lai da klai bin chili the ili tam stay khai ji in a follow sa tam translate chung kha changes the laga ringa pha je ringa ya kala avavali promise mi hai ada ke ikwan ya important sakle in avavu bina naurali le shi ji thagle ka nana avavali promise aka sa khai ji ba ga thagle ka ba you stand out for that. Now, I really promise to us, we forget. Sometimes we forget because we are talking today about a father. So the father relates al hang na klenya. Jigaba isha wahi paisho ne shimkhuli paisho sa haugi da lai tension me jimne or anasag the leader crazily shimkhula support sa hamas hamane jiga ana paisho sa haugi da. Jada Thagle is he has been ill treated by the family also when we are just growing up. So, he never taught me. He taught me like, it's okay, time will come. But you have to study hard. You have to focus and do your best to stand out in the crowd. And people should proud that yes, this is my daughter. He yeah, or na ihi ang himishuin anang lavane or jitaji sagaji ko jihangaya. So ingunui sai ka an inali promisai. Yes, va in a nawi nali promisai in a karatam tranchili in kakang hai nali proud sa sakwaya shnang sara ji in ali promisai. Chena chada sa lega promise how get a funny incident la tra shok pa me manu lega high school thaliba like she proposal tra rade like she love letter merge ni ya and love letter cry eva tha lega ma pa jing se khar lega toilet li her sang hi yu khang cha sa jine jiga yu ning khi sa ji sa yu lai ka pa li sa zaw re ya kiri sa sa jine na tha lega ba se khar lega flash sour or else gymning car to that I mukimre the tangore in a ili sona harash no chadam sa by nishko Chicago letrin halim song by nishko sangai ka watching the wang palm haya and it one emission that we badly walks a halayo shiavana safety say that the besana provide that Jimmy Kaji Ungsang Hajne e crowd e salaga gadam translate Bangalore dark them the putting a list hasn't Berkeley Kushoka Park and Mungai Nasnia. Gala Mera direct approach Sajni, that the letter mission looks at Sajni. Cover in a Ishavali commitment committee, Kiside Hangling Naliki Hanglezi cover. See, Nanang Raisha Pichung Rilo in India. Young Rilo cover. I have promised my dad that I want to be someone that he is proud of. Chi ing sare iji hangaya. Chi hang dina ni baji thangle chikawa kya ka sang rai lo thang aim them ne iwa lai le tang mai fe or else iwa kazat la zat ba fre nanang rai shap chika rai hang is nisle. Yeah, the same thing I did with my husband also. Now husband, that's we can. And inila classmate pa me kala ini sekolah le college le ka pa me kawa journey adam alil hang pa me. No, I want to be someone in a, like futurely ni ahang sa haitli I will decide whom I need to be married. Ji isai ji isha bawali commitment miao gida kala awu like shi ji ana like shi hang sa da ali in return marriage ji sai da takwadam translate ngthal I success ka sa sam phangya revolution khamina success sa sam phangai khawa yang khung atam translate isha baw malai sa thumane ya ito iliji holaga thawe Kawa aka ina immediately regret same kutigi aka vale maya. Chicket ha kigle jikawa I also ambitious now are we isha valley promise a haiji sapumre jiji le how will the kawadam translate. I couldn't fulfill one wish that my dad has. When dada ji rai jikawa emotional house yeah the charm shongai le charm shokaujine. Kivine le jikawa Ishi avatina na adam translate awi dead bad chili yeah kasadam translate ana he wants to see me. He calls me and say, my daughter, I'm waiting for you where you have reached. He asked me, but I don't have an answer. I couldn't see him. I couldn't meet him. On the last day that he wanted to see me because I was so busy fulfilling the promise that I have for him. So I want to tell you everyone, ambitious hello, but don't be over ambitious that you forget to see your father on the last day. So, however, nisha ba time spend sa tam translate. Avava sa tam translate. Share what you have inside your heart. And now right from psychorally. Avava nali time spend sa tam translate or be available. Some now kaya thagay ka avava na time spend sa lau tukida avava na time spend sa ngay tam translate malay sala lay ba maya. Avava time spend magsanda. Why should I be there? No. Atam mingrog lang ana atam kya ka? No bang kaisok mit legle ya? No bang sa mit legle jadam thanji you also be available. Available sa marog lo. Sa marog atam thanji kisar kle jikaba you can go more further. And whenever you are in need, you will be available for each other. So don't be over ambitious, but at the same time be ambitious and fulfill the promise that you have for your father. Chikhatam translate maikaka or ringaya nishavana zambangai nishavana makpasa idina sare machilo ya kavaja sa hawgida mathaw mai marine chikhata ring sigle jipajili focus halo chikhatam translate ringkapang sare kala ariatam hili tada avawu legacy he important session ko avangara nawi nong lavu nawi nong merely nana hak masarak rang sa khaba hak sa laga tell how much you love him or her kala anangra if you have never told that you love your father so much and then express sarang sa khaba or he is far away, call him that you love him so much because atam malay mane yang atam malay samray na nali hang atam translate nishin siya nawi avavo ji malay sang sare ina sazad laga ambition sashunay sazad laga ar success sare ngare khung atam translate hangai jatam thani malay ki saji jiba ji masang se ngai mane ya gala avavo ngarabing hili akha ngai ba achon na ishi worship li ishi akhran hangjne iwi nang lavely princess thada treat sai kha nalaga nawi prevangly queen thada treat salo the hangai ni ya thagamai na ri atam li itum avawu legshi anawaina avawu legshi mang hangaya khawa I want to tell like itum shinaw wanga itum first love is my father ya itum na me nauli first love saji iwa avawu ne ya Kala, my father called me princess, even though if I'm not good looking, but I'm a princess for my father. Iwa princess ne, iwi avavo wang. Cheda tharlej kava, nali fukratam tranchi, nali fukrachi princess samo. I've been taken care very nicely. Whatever is my demand, whatever is my wish, is been fulfilled by my father. So, in a fukratam tranchi, definitely I would like all the fathers to like. Or my husband to be treat me as a queen. Yeah, ili queen thada treat sang sengai. Why I want to be treated like that? Because I've been first treated like that, like a princess by my father. Ili avavuna that treat sawi in a sat kvatam transli. Ili queen thada treated sang sengai. No we now lavuli. Nada treat exactly the same thing. More than that, I want to be treated by my husband. Ili ishi now me are lovely hugsa I love you so much baby my princess the khandam translate and how about me sometimes if you didn't do for me I want to ask him what about me I'm not a queen you're not going to give me a hug and say I love you take care of today whatever you're going to do go on I'm there for you why you don't want to tell for me that is a question sometimes try yeah we have been practicing. So all the man out here, no way, treat as how the father treat them as a princess. So you please treat them as a queen because they are the one who's going to take care. As my husband say, the rest of our life we're going to spend together, so we have to treat well. so that we can go on with a happy ending. So here now we avavu lekshi, yeah. He tadanat matam he bang ningshe kala rally we uglungli murkangaina mring phalang leidakle. My wish that I want to confess that the regret that I have in my life, and I pray that one day I want to confess in a public. But I thought, if I confess it, how people going to think about it? Today is the time where I confess about what's the regret I have on this auspicious day. So thanks God for this time, and thank all the members out here to give me this kind of privilege to confess and to share what God has done for me in my life. So Dongli, at last, I wish you a very happy Father's Day. Thank you.